If you don't have a permanent fender on your dock, that's not a problem. For this maneuver, we just need to make sure that we've got one very specifically positioned just at the back here, so that as we spring off the dock, the back corner of the boat here doesn't come in contact with the dock. So it's really important to understand when you're maneuvering a catamaran like we are in today's conditions, there's not much wind, but we've got a few things going on with the controls. So we've got 2 engine throttles and we've also got a wheel. The best thing you can do to simplify the whole operation is to remove the wheel. So what we've done down here, we've locked the wheel completely so we can forget about that, and we're just going to operate the boat using the 2 throttles. A really good trick that we use when teaching our clients how to drive the boat is to hold your thumbs like this. So if I push the starboard engine forwards, the front of the boat is going to go to the left. If I pull the starboard engine backwards, the front or the back of the boat is going to go to the left. So it's quite a clever trick to hold your thumbs here and to just figure out what's going to happen to the boat when you do the throttle movement. All ready to go. I've got both my engines running, and as we mentioned before, I've got my bow line, my stern line and my stern springer set up. So what I'll do now is I'll just ask the crew member to drop the bow line and the stern line, and then it's just the springer holding us on the dock. Okay, so both our bow line and our stern line are off. And now with my stern spring attached to my port side, I'm just going to put my starboard engine in reverse. And what that's going to do, that's going to pull the starboard side of the boat backwards. And on the port side we've got the spring that's going to stop us moving backwards. And what we're doing now, you can see the bow of the boat started to move out, and you'll see that from the drone as well very clearly. And depending on how much wind there is now, that depends on the angle that I'm going to give this. So if there was a strong 15-20 knot wind blowing me onto the dock, I would give myself a really good angle off the dock so that when I put both engines into forwards, I don't end up dragging my stern down the dock. So I'll tell the crew member now to drop the line on the back if you can. So that line is off now. I've got a good angle and I just put both engines into forwards.